Hello, in this video I'm going to talk about two features of Unity. One is prefab and other one is packages. First, we're going to make a folder called prefabs or game objects. Prefabs are like the game objects or the objects that we save. For example, we have too many light bulbs. I can drag and drop one of them, for example light bulb 1. And here you can see I have an object of this light bulb. Now I can go into another scene, for example this new scene. It's an empty scene. You can create it by right click on create and then choosing the scene. And I'm going to go back to assets and go to the prefabs. You can see our light bulb. I can easily drag and drop it to our scene. And I can also make two of them by clicking on Ctrl D to duplicate them, or click on duplicate here or copy and paste it, or I can simply drag another one, drag and drop another one. And these prefabs are very useful, not because only we can use them many times as we want, but also for creating an object with a script. This is not creating an object by a script. It's not the main subject of this video, but I just tell you so that you know. Now I'm going to delete them and tell you another feature of Unity. You can, in the previous videos, you saw that the importing package in our project. We can also choose anything from our assets. For example, I can right click on this and click on export package. You can see it exported two things. One is the light pole and another one is the material that we create for this pole. And another thing that you should know is that we can export almost anything. For example, we can export all of our codes. And for example, if we want to export our light pole or our prefabs, you will see a check mark and the text beside it says include dependencies. If we uncheck it, then we only going to include only the thing that we select. But if the thing we selected has something that is depend on, for example, this light bulb depends on this material. If I check include dependencies, Unity automatically add any dependency that this object has. For example, if I add this light bulb, attach a script to it, and now if I make another prefab from this, you can see Unity give me two options. One is prefab variant and one is original prefab. If I make it original prefab, these two prefabs are completely different. But if I make this prefab variant, if I change something of the parent prefab, the child prefab also going to change. I choose original prefab and you can see if I export a package from this prefab, the dependencies of this prefab are now the material and the codes that we attached to them. And you can also, if you want to, if you change something of prefab, and for example you change this rotate value to something like 41 and this to 21, and you forgot what these values are, you can click on override and click on the revert all. By clicking it, it reverts all of the things in prefab into what they are in the prefab file. And if you want to make this prefab free of another ones, you can right click on the prefab and click on prefab and unpack completely. Now you can see this is no longer blue. Prefabs are blue when you put it into the Unity. But if you want to unprefab them or free them, you should right click on it, go to the prefab and check on unpack completely. And this was a quick video. I just want to show you exporting. And this was a quick video. I just want to show you prefabs and exporting package. You can also make money by creating and making package and put them on Unity Asset Store. At the end, I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you find it helpful and good, consider to like and subscribe for more videos.